A very warm welcome to you. It's my pleasure as always to have you for company on this edition of Almond Finance and Wealth Report, your source for all the latest happenings in the world of business. My name is Margaret Mary Osiobor. On this edition of the program, we begin our special report series on leading insurance brokers in Nigeria with cutting-edge services. The aim is to let you into the world of first-class brokerage companies that will ensure you get the maximum benefits for all your insurance transactions. Now this week we kickstart with Cosmic Insurance Brokers Limited, located in the heart of Alausa, Ikeja, and Prestige Insurance Brokers Limited, located in Okwebi. Now what can I say? You're welcome to the world of the best insurance brokers in Nigeria. Details in just a moment. Please stay with us.
Insurance brokers are professional intermediaries in insurance transactions that ensures that the insured gets maximum value and benefit from their insurance purchases. To operate as a broker in Nigeria as individual or company, you must be registered by the Nigerian Council of Registered Insurance Brokers (NCRIB). Nigeria insurance industry boasts of the largest members of brokers in Africa, with over 500 operating at different levels. There are, however, few companies among the many lots registered in Nigeria that are offering exceptional services to their clients. One of such is Prestige Insurance Brokers Limited. Incorporated in 1988 under the Companies and Allied Matters Act 1968, the company was duly registered by the Nigerian Council of Registered Insurance Brokers (NCRIB) and licensed by the National Insurance Commission (NICOM) to transact all classes of insurance business. With a vision to be a leading broking firm providing first-class and quality insurance and financial services to its customers, Prestige Insurance Brokers Limited is today a force to be reckoned with. So what sets this company apart from others? The Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Feyisayo Shoyiwo, MFR, a past president of the Nigerian Council of Registered Insurance Brokers and current chairman of the African Insurance Brokers Association, IBA, speaks.
Well, I'm sure that by now, most Nigerians are beginning to understand the crucial role that brokers play in any insurance transaction, whether small or big. Brokers, well, they are intermediary. I describe them as the best friend of insured or policy holder in any insurance transaction, because they go a long way to help the insured achieve maximally under its insurance policy. Many years back, insurance business is regarded as too technical for the ordinary person to understand. The small prints, thank God they are now big prints. But we interpret, even with the big prints, we still interpret. If you allow me, I'll give you an example. An educated person who insured directly, marine business. The goods were coming from overseas. Unfortunately for him, he did not know that seawater damage is an exclusion under the policy. So unfortunately, the ship capsized, goods were damaged, and he approached the underwriter to make a claim. The policy was interpreted, and he said, "I'm sorry, you have no claim because the report shows that these goods were damaged by seawater, and seawater is excluded." He could not understand himself. He went to court and he lost. It's a condition of the policy. It is the broker who knows the technicalities that will speak with them that please expunge this. This is not favorable to my client. Reduce this or add this. To favor the client, so that at the time of claim, there will be no hiding. That's the language that they will use. It's not a hiding place. It's a contract, and you are expected to read, to study the contract documents, and if there is anyone that you don't like, you explain. But an average policyholder don't have that time. That's our business. Once you have insured through a broker, sleep and close your 2 eyes. That's what we are. We ensure that, especially when there is a loss, you get duly, properly compensated. So that's the role we play. It's very crucial. There's no business that is too small for us to handle. Even when the overheads exceeds the commission or the brokerage you earn, we still embrace them. Of course, the bigger ones, the income from the bigger one is more reasonable and attractive. But even the smaller ones too, you need them sometimes to keep going. So it's not correct to say that both small and big. Of course, the overhead on the small accounts is especially small personal businesses. My motor vehicle, for example, insured for 2 million. When there is claim, the trouble you go through is a lot more than even major accounts where you earn quite a lot of money. So, but brokers, we handle all of. In fact, some of us are going into the micro insurance businesses, clubs insuring their members, and the rest of them, those small ones. We are going into it, and we are partnering with those underwriters that have good portfolio on micro insurance. So it's not correct. It's not correct. One thing that is so unique about Prestige is that we have kept our head level all these past 30 years. No infringement, no trouble with NICOM, no trouble with NCRIB. With all, we have complied, and we have taken very seriously the ethics of the profession. Keeping to ethics of the profession, we hold it dear to our heart. That's something that is so unique about us. We may not be too big, but we are happy, and we can raise our head anywhere, anytime. So keeping to ethics of the profession is something we are proud of. So we rank among the best. May not be in terms of volume, but the best in terms of doing it properly, doing it very well. We rank among the best in the industry. And we are now affiliated with world-class insurance organizations like the Brokers Link, which appears to be the largest brokers network in the world now. We are their representative here in Nigeria. We are their affiliate in Nigeria here. So, I mean, it's a source of joy to us. I'm still currently the chairman of African Insurance Brokers, maybe until May in Ghana, when I plan to formally relinquish that position. I've been there since 2010. Past president of NCRIB. So these are sources of great joy to us at NCRIB. And our staff, they're among the best in the industry, among the best. In Lagos, we are here in Ikeja, 53 Okwebi. In Abuja, we are there at a Pimos complex, area Garki 2 in Abuja. In UK, we also have a correspondence office. All these addresses are there in our web. We also have an office in Abeokuta, and our new office in Port Harcourt is taking shape now. In the next 1 or 2 months, we will formally declare the office open. So we want to spread so that we can make available at every point in Nigeria, especially in Nigeria, our services. And with our connection, our technical relationship with our foreign partners, we can handle business anywhere in the world. We've started doing that anywhere in the world, in Africa and any part of the world. We can handle business now. We are no longer a localized broking firm. We are coming a long way in Nigeria. The way you compare with advanced countries of the world, we are just starting. We are not 100 years yet in Nigeria. By 2020 or 2021, we should be celebrating 100 years of insurance in Nigeria. But this far, there has been a lot of improvements from what it used to be those days. The National Insurance Commission today is doing quite a lot to change the face of insurance in Nigeria, quite a lot. And all the arms, NIA, NCRIB, CIN, ELAN, all of us, we are cooperating more than ever before. So I'm very optimistic that the years ahead will be good years, and all that we have lost in the past will be recouped, will be regained, and insurance in Nigeria will move to its next level in Nigeria. So I can see, what I can see is bright future for insurance in Nigeria. And I would just advise Nigerians to embrace insurance.
With a formidable team of highly experienced professionals and a professional indemnity cover of 500 million naira against the minimum requirement of 10 million naira and branches in Lagos and Abuja, Prestige Insurance Brokers Limited invites you to the world of cutting-edge services. They are a member of African Insurance Organization AIO, member Brooks Link, the largest brokers network globally, and is represented at Lloyd's of London. Our second leading insurance broker with cutting-edge services this week is Cosmic Insurance Brokers Limited. Incorporated on the 30th of November 1982, the company commenced operations on the 1st of March 1993 with a mission to exceed the expectation of our customers and other stakeholders by continuously improving performance towards greater excellence and profitability. With a formidable team of highly experienced professionals and a board of directors made up of highly skilled technocrats cutting across various sectors of the economy, Cosmic descriptive slogan in the insurance industry today is the extended cover planners. Cosmic management team, which is responsible for providing clients with highly personalized services at the cheapest possible cost and maximum benefit, is led by the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Teslim Sanusi, a Fellow of the Chartered Insurance Institute of Nigeria and London, and a past President of the Nigerian Council of Registered Insurance Brokers, NCRIB. He is a man of distinction. So what makes Cosmic Insurance Brokers Limited tick? The General Manager, Mr. Sanda Oyetunde Kazim, an associate of the Chartered Insurance Institute of Nigeria, speaks.
Insurance brokers are professional intermediary in the insurance value chain. The basic function of a broker is to offer services on behalf of their clients by placement of risk and also negotiate premium rates for them at affordable, at the best efficient terms and conditions. They also assess the clients, replacement of risk, at least to look at the ways of their life and their occupations, their trade, and whatever things they are involved in. Because all these factors have contributions to the way insurance are placed. So with this combined, it affords a broker the opportunity to negotiate best of rates, terms, and affordable premium rate for their clients. And again, the high points of a broker's services is to ensure a seamless claim processing administration, so that the issues and rankles of argument, exchange of correspondence are eliminated completely. It is a pure misconception. Brokers are for everyone. The reason why the service of a broker is so important is because they, as a professional intermediary, they understand insurance language. Then engaging them afford everybody who has come through them the opportunity of having his risk well placed at best of premium rate and at good terms and conditions. Because oftentimes the complaints of the insurance public is about insurance terminologies that they didn't know while business have been placed, and when there is claim, all sorts are brought up and it affects claim processing. These are the key areas where a broker is needed, and it saves the policyholder the stress of exchanging correspondence, trying to interpret terms or conditions, and the broker comes readily to take care of that gap, and they are available to every level of people in the economy. It is not limited to either you have a big concerns, you have a big company, you have in fact the trend now is micro insurance, which is purely an insurance focusing on individual basis, and possibly the people with maybe small and medium enterprises, practitioners or players. So that is the focus, so that the industry can well capture all those people either to not capture within the insurance market. So a broker is for everyone. And virtually in all professional spheres of life, I think the engagement of a broker is the only professional charitable services rendered. In fairness, it is the only charitable professional services rendered, because nobody pays, the policyholder needs not pay the broker. The service of a broker to the client is free of charge. However, the remuneration of a broker is already factored into the premium. It is a statutory universal practice that makes a broker to earn something out of the premium paid. It necessarily does not increase the premium exposure of the policyholder. If he needs to pay 10 kobo or 100 naira on a particular risk, the involvement of a broker will never increase it to 101 naira. He's still going to pay. However, even the service of the broker can help in reducing that premium, because the broker knows better. So a client does not pay for the services of a broker. Without being sounding proud, I can tell you there is Cosmic Insurance Brokers and there are brokers. I said it in effect that this Cosmic is a company who have been on the block for over 35 years, non-stop, continuous operational services all the way around. Cosmic as a company, it's also among the few brokerage firm in the country that own its own building facility. We didn't only have this in Lagos, we have in Ilorin. Cosmic is spread in virtually about 14 states of the country, and we have representative in all the 36 states that makes up Nigeria. Cosmic play in all sectors of the Nigerian economy. We have clients from all sectors of the Nigerian economy, and this is an add-on to any of our clients because of this our vast experience. Competent staffs, high level of technology, seamless operational approaches to business, and it makes us to be on top. It's never far-fetched. Simple communication. We are there with Cosmic, either through telephone calls, visit our websites, send us mail on our email, call any of our operational telephone lines, visit our offices. We have started doing business together. It's as simple as that. Like I said earlier, Cosmic has competent staff, high technology of practice, in tune with modern day insurance need. We have functional offices in 14 of states of the country with representations in all the other 36 states. We have an offshore company also in Gambia. Our website is functional 24/7. You can reach us at any time. You can visit our own head office opposite the Lagos City Mall in Ikeja, the one popularly called ShopRite. We are physically present there. So you can visit us because, like I said, we participate in every sectors of Nigerian economy. We place risk from every sectors of Nigerian economy. Our clients are diverse, and there is no sector of Nigerian economy that we don't have a client that we are servicing. So this is an add-on to anybody who is engaging us. It keeps us with vast of experience that we are at home to take any risk of anybody and make sure they are satisfied with our services. We are actually, in fact, we are set even before the regulation, because already we have been canvassing it, and like I said, we are ahead even of developments. We have many microfinance for our clients, and what we do most for them is to make sure we broker the risk of their numerous clients. And you know the bulk of the microfinance clients, they are the medium and small scale enterprises. So that is what we do already. So already we are doing that.
Over the years, the company has grown in leaps and bounds with 8 branches across Nigeria and a subsidiary office in the Gambia. With its highly motivated workforce and modern technology to deliver online real-time services across their branches nationwide, we welcome you to the world of Cosmic Insurance Brokers Limited, the company that gives you extended insurance benefits.
Alright, that is our time on the program this week. Here is hoping you enjoyed every moment spent with us. Now don't forget that you only get maximum value on all your insurance purchases if you procure them through a broker. So get in touch with any of the companies via the telephone numbers and addresses we have already displayed, or you can see them once again on our YouTube channel, Almond Finance TV. Now, just as always, we would love to hear from you, so connect with us on all our social media platforms. And don't forget that this program also airs on BCOS Television Ibadan every Thursday by 6 p.m. You can also join us live every Wednesday by 9:45 a.m. on Niger FM 102.7 for our Pidgin English program, Waiting Insurance, they do serve. Once again, thank you for your company this week. Let's do this again next week, same time, same station. Until then, my name is Margaret Mary Osiobor, and from the entire crew, it's goodbye.